Locs, welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, hey friends. So today I'm going to do my top 5 hairstyles that I like to do on my locks now that my locks are medium length. So the first 3 hairstyles are kind of like basic, like they're easy, they're simple, they're like my go-tos, especially on the days where I feel like I don't really want to do anything to my hair. I'm going to do a 360 of my hair because I haven't done one in a while, and I do want to show y'all my hair before I get into this styling video. So my last retwist was around August 20th, and today is October 3rd, and I wanted to show y'all these styles on my old retwist before I retwist my hair. So let's get into the video. I usually wear my hair like this around the house when I can't find a hair tie, or it's just super convenient just to tie it up like this, call it a day. Okay, I had to go look in the mirror. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. So this is what it looks like. The back. This side. Alright y'all, so this is the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see you next time. Bye friends.